Domino's. Domino's, why cook on Black Friday? Mix and match items for only $5.99, each for 2+. Each for 2+. Yeah, see, some of these things, I'm guessing the Domino's person knows exactly what that means. Mix and match items for only $5.99 each for 2+. So maybe like 2+ items, and maybe Domino's, I don't eat Domino's that much, but I do actually, like every couple of months we have Domino's. So, again, that's the people they're trying to obviously target. I don't know what that means. So you got to kind of watch out, especially saying things like BOGO in your message, or each for 2+, I'm not sure, is that dollars or items or mix and match items, so again, make it very, very clear. You also have to realize that text messaging, people look at the message for like 1 or 2 seconds and then they go away, so if it doesn't attract them, so if they have to think about it, they're going to be like, ugh. Another thing here, code 9193, and then it's just a link. What the heck am I supposed to do with this? Like, when I call in, do I give the code, or by clicking this, is it calling in, or am I making like when I click in, am I making the order? You have to be very, very specific. Click here to order and use code 9193 to save. That'd be very specific. And I go, okay, I know what to do here. People don't want to, sound like idiots when they call in and they're like, I'm trying to give you a code, I guess. Like, make it very, especially if, it's in person. So retail restaurants, if you're in person, and you're front of the line and there's a line behind you, and you don't want to be like showing the phone and then they're like confused and the cashier's confused. It's just a horrible, and I've seen this situation, in retail and restaurant. So be very, very specific, and then they have the stop, to opt out.